To enhance our processes and contribute to environmental conservation by reducing paper usage, we've introduced a digital signature app for managing offer letters, student declarations, and agent declarations. This app simplifies the acceptance of the terms outlined in these documents, making the process more efficient for all parties involved. The steps to complete this process is displayed on your screen. To begin, please access your email inbox and open the email from Zoho Sign, which will prompt you to sign the document. Depending on your network security settings, it is possible that the document could end up in your spam or junk folder. If this happens, kindly review your spam folder and indicate that the email is not spam. This will help the system recognise and direct similar requests to your primary inbox going forward. Next, carefully verify the details and ensure the document's authenticity. Once you have performed the necessary checks, you can proceed to click and initiate the signing process. The document will then be available for your review, allowing you to assess its content before proceeding with the signature. Before adding your signature, it is important to accept the terms of the electronic record and signature disclosure, as this is a requirement for e-signing the document. Once accepted, you can proceed to fill in your information in the designated signer fields of the document and add your signature. The document will require the signer to complete the following fields. It is important to note that these documents will be sent sequentially. If the applicant has an agent, it will be sent to the agent first. After completing the fields and necessary signatures, the document will be forwarded to the applicant to fill in their required fields, initials and signature. Initials are mandatory on each page of the offer letter to indicate that it has been read. When adding your signature, you have three options available. You can either type your name and select one of the preset styled fonts, draw your signature using your computer mouse or stylus, or simply upload an image of your signature. Once all the required information has been entered, you can click Finish to finalise the process. If you have any concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at support@danford.edu.au or visit our website at www.danford.edu.au.